Hey you guys, so today I'm going to do my first Mask Monday. I'm obsessed with skincare. I especially love trying out new masks. So today I'm going to start with the Younique Exfoliating Mask. This is like a white pasty mask with salt or something in there that exfoliates your skin. It also has shea butter to moisturize. So I have sensitive skin. I don't use this mask all of the time because it is a physical exfoliator, which means it has like the sugar or salt or whatever actually scrubbing your skin. But I just got back from a vacation in the mountains. I was doing things outside, wearing lots of sunscreen, not doing my normal skincare routine. So anytime I kind of abandon my normal routine, whether I'm like sick, I like to use this mask because it kind of just removes that outer layer of your skin and any impurities going on to bring back the glow. All right, so I'm going to use this mask applicator to apply it, and the directions say to apply it and then massage it for 1 minute. Since I have sensitive skin, I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is apply it all over, let it sit for those 5 minutes. When I remove it, that's going to be plenty exfoliation for my skin type. If you have normal skin and you can handle pretty aggressive exfoliation, then go ahead and follow the directions. You can also use this 2 or 3 times a week if you have normal skin. Like I said, I prefer not to. I prefer to use more like my Clarisonic to exfoliate regularly because it's really gentle. But I do like this as kind of like a skin rescue type thing. You don't need that much. I don't like getting my hands messy, like dipping into jars and stuff, so I really like using this mask applicator. You can also use an old but clean foundation brush, just the generic traditional paintbrush style ones. Okay, so now that I have it all over my face, I'm going to leave it on for about 5 minutes. And then I'll come back and wash it off with you. So like any skincare product, you should always do a patch test if you have sensitive skin before you apply it all over your face. That way if you have a reaction to whatever ingredient you may have trouble with, you're not like looking crazy for a week. So, and then of course you obviously want to avoid your eye area. It does have sea salt in it. So it has shea butter and sea salt are the active ingredients. The shea butter softens, the sea salt exfoliates. So anyway, let's get this mask off. So I'm going to use a damp washcloth to remove. Now this is where I'm getting the exfoliation. Like I said in the beginning, the instructions say to exfoliate into your skin and then leave it, but I'm sensitive. So just this here is gonna give me plenty exfoliation. Okay, so I think I've got it all removed. Now with any exfoliating type mask, you're gonna see you might see a little bit of flushing to the skin because the exfoliation brings your blood to the surface, but you shouldn't look like super red and irritated. That might be an actual reaction. So like I said, do that spot test. But anyway, as you can see, my skin's a little more glowy, and after masking is the perfect time to put on your serums, your deep moisturizers, and everything's really gonna soak into your face. So if you're interested in trying it, I'll leave the links to the mask and the applicator tool down below. And if you have any questions about whether this will work for you or not, drop them below. I'd be happy to help you. Like I said, this mask is not for everybody, but I do like it as like my skin rescue mask. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.